Okay guys, here is a simple exercise you can do at home with just a band. Choose a light band, light to medium resistance. Place it underneath the arches of your feet, between hip width and shoulder width. And then you're gonna pull the handles up towards your shoulders and keep your shoulder blades down and together. So take a deep breath in, exhale, you're gonna squat. As you come out of the squat, you're gonna push press with one arm, squat again, and push press with the other. So squat, overhead press, squat, overhead press. Keep going for about 15 reps. Make sure to get those hips down and back. Keep the chest up. All right, here's another simple exercise using a band that you can do at home. So choose a light to medium band for the next one. Place the band underneath the arches of the feet about hip width apart. You're gonna take your band at the handles and crisscross them so they anchor at your hips. You're gonna take a big step out, keep the feet facing forward, a little step in, big step out on the other side, little step in, and then add the upright row after the steps. Big step out, little step in, big step out, little step in, and then upright row. Keep your knees a little soft, a little bent. Big step out, little step in, big step, little step, upright row. Go about 30 seconds of these, and keep those abs tight. Okay guys, the third exercise is a quadruped donkey kick. So work it into the glute and the hamstring. You need to have a mat to kneel down on and a medium resistance band. So first you're just gonna place the strap underneath the arch of one foot, your hands in the hand cradles, and then at the same time, try to bring your knee and hands down so that you can anchor, and then kick that foot back. Make sure that the band is at the arch of the foot so it doesn't come out and slip. You want to keep your core really tight and just kick through the heel of that foot, or sorry, the arch of the foot, like you're trying to kick the door away from you. So you're really working into the glute and the hamstring, core, and upper body. And just really kick, extending through the hip and the knee. Donkey kicks. All right, last exercise here. We're going to combine the upper and the lower body again with a lateral arm raise and a lateral kick. Opposite sides working together. So right arm, left leg. Right arm, left leg. So I'm bringing my arm out about 45 degrees, kicking through the side of that foot. Core is tight, and the arm and leg are working together. Arm raise, so shoulder, and we've got glute and hips working. These catch up pretty quick, so just give me about 10 to 12 on each side. And then you want to repeat on the second side. Arm and leg working together. Kick, arm raises. Kick out, and the arm raises. Opposite arm, opposite leg, raise.